Guys, today we're going to continue our testing of Joe Kowinski's long travel kit here. We're going to go and we're going to hit some rocks. But before we do that, we are at a familiar location, my father-in-law's wood slab pile. If Seth pans around, you guys remember this and how I got stuck? What'd you say?
Did I call it or what?
Clearance is gonna hurt me.
You just need a big block. Your winches.
I think now with these 32-inch tires being out 60 plus inches wide and having around 14, 15 inches of ground clearance now. So we're just gonna warm up here a little bit and just go up and down, up and down. Alright, we're going to try this in two-wheel drive. We'll see how she goes. It's better use for. That doesn't sketchy at all. I got stuck last time. Well, I'd say that was a nice little warm-up. This thing didn't even struggle. I bet you I would have hit that a little bit faster. We probably could have done it in two-wheel drive. What do you think?
Definitely.
Yeah. But now it's time for the real stuff. Alright guys, we've done quite a bit of mudding in this guy. We're going to do a little rock climbing here. This is nothing too extreme, but I did try it once in the stock form of this guy and it didn't go so well. I didn't make it up. So we're going to try her again now that we have the 32s and Joe's long travel. I think if I stick to this side and go up, we should be good, but maybe I'll try the hardest spot. Now I'm running 8 pounds of pressure in my tires. That might be a little high for this kind of stuff, but I'm gonna try her anyway. No problem.
The rest of the crew decided to go the bypass way, which still had a pretty steep hill, but didn't give them any problems.
No problem, no problem.
Rick's Rhino 700 still getting her done. I'm gonna have to find one of these somewhere.
No problem.
Do a little project build on an old Rhino.
Alright guys, final rock challenge we're going to do here. Because I know that previous footage you guys just watched really didn't show the climbing abilities. Yeah, it showed how it went over the rocks and how the articulation worked. But we want to try a little bit of a climb. So this down here is something I actually found a while ago when this guy was still in stock form. There's a little bit of a rock climb down there in the creek we're going to try. It's probably nothing you guys are going to think is too extreme, but it's the best I got to work with, so it's the best we're going to do, right, Seth?
Yep.
So we're going to go ahead. I've been running, even in the last footage you guys saw, about 8 pounds of air in my tires, which probably a little bit too much, especially for all that rocky stuff we just went through. So I'm going to air these guys down to about 3 pounds. Again, I got the Walker Evans bead locks here, all nice and muddy, still looking good. So we can air these down quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then we got this pretty, I know, film you can't tell, pretty steep incline here to get down there, and then we'll see if we can get up over them rocks. Although I admitted to Seth here, I remember when I first found this that it looked a lot worse than what it looks now. But I think that's because I was comparing the stock 500 to what I had to go up over compared to this massive beast. I really don't think we're going to have much of a problem. Biggest problem might be digging in and trying to come up this hill, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to air down. All right, I got my tire pressure lowered down. I took it down to 3 pounds. I think that'll be good. Again, these are 8 ply, so they're stiff, but I think that'll give a little better flex. So I'm going to send Seth down the hill, and I'll be soon to follow. Hopefully nice and controlled, because that's a little loose. I don't know, maybe Seth can capture the steepness as he walks down, but if he falls, we'll have some good laughs. Well, if I had had long,
there's kind of a hole there.
yeah, if I had had long travel there, I might have been on my side. That was a piece of cake. Woo!
Tree.
Give me 100 acres and I'll turn this beast around.
Give him another 100 acres and he'll maybe turn it around. Tree. Yeah, just drive over it, why not?
All right, I think I got it. guys, we actually kind of tackled that with no problem, which I was kind of figuring. So I would say Joe's long travel kit gets an A+ rating in my book. Now again, I know I'm going to get comments, well that's nothing, my stock 500 would do that. Maybe, maybe not, but it definitely wouldn't do it as easy. And that's the best I got. I'll have to see if I can find some places with a little better rocks, and we'll have to hit and do some follow-up testing. But for right now, I am highly, highly pleased. Again, the only thing I'm going to do is swap out with some heavier springs here in the back in the near future. Give that a try so I can adjust this preload up. But I hope you guys have enjoyed these test videos, the install video. I hope you guys are intrigued by this long travel kit. Most importantly, I hope you give Joe a call and order one of these kits for your 500, because again, for the price he charges, for the capabilities it gives this machine, it is absolutely awesome how it transforms it. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe before you leave. Your support by buying my merchandise and on Patreon is highly appreciated. It helps me bring the content I love to bring, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. And don't forget, you can always check out my Amazon Marketplace store too, where I have a lot of parts, accessories, fluids that I use on my machines that you can get on Amazon. One convenient page for you guys to shop at. I'm going to do something new here. We'll say if this video gets, how many subscribers am I at right now? Just under 6,000. If this video gets, we'll say 1,000 likes, then I will take the 500 with the long travel up this creek bed. As you can see, that's probably going to be a pretty good struggle for the guy. So again, 1,000 likes, and we'll take the 500 actually up the creek bed and not just cross it on a little baby rock climb like this. So again, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, have fun, be safe, and keep on riding. What's that? Oh yeah, it's going to be bonus footage. We'll see if we can get out of here, because that's pretty steep. Seatbelt on!
Easy.
Like nothing!
Yeah.
'Cause she's a mighty mouse. She's mighty, mighty, climbing all these hills. Yeah, she's a mighty mouse. Woo!
That's really hard not to laugh.